missed me because I missed you. I haven't picked up my camera to film a makeup video for my YouTube since forever. I think it's been like 3 months or something. I'm bringing the videos back. I'm coming back. So today's video is a heatwave proof makeup look, and I'm telling you guys, I've been wearing this makeup all summer long, and this is a total summer lifesaver. I've been wearing it through the hottest days, sweating buckets, and it hasn't buzzed. So today I'm gonna show you exactly how I do it. Before I begin, if you can hear any crazy noises in the background, it's because I have my window open. I like the natural lighting, so that's why. Okay, so first I'm gonna start with a little bit of skin preparation, just a couple of products to prepare the skin. Nothing too crazy. I'm gonna continue with this product right here. This is my all-time favorite product. I use it every single day. This is a glow replenishing rice milk. It's super hydrating and it gives you a really nice glow. My skin feels amazing every time I use this product. I don't know if you can see through the camera, but it's so glowy and my skin feels amazing. Next, I'm gonna continue with this moisturizing cream. So the key for this makeup look is to work in layers, and something that I always say when it comes to makeup and skincare is less is more. Always remember this and your makeup will always look amazing. And we're gonna finish with sunscreen, of course, the most important step. Okay, as you can tell, our skin is so glowy, it feels amazing. We have the perfect base, so now it's time to move on to the fun part. I'm not really a foundation kind of girl, and especially during summer, I think it's quite heavy. I still want to have some coverage and I still want to look presentable, but it's way too hot outside and I don't want anything heavy on my skin. I just want to feel like my skin can breathe, if that makes sense. So instead of foundation, I'm gonna use this bronzing serum. This is one of my favorite products ever. I bought this product so many times, I can't even count. I'm almost out of it and I have already a new one in my drawer, so I'm good. So this will give us a really nice color and a little bit of coverage, I would say. So lately I've been experiencing with YouTube shorts, and I'm not gonna lie, I really like them. I like YouTube shorts and I will keep posting YouTube shorts, but also I am bringing the long videos back. I mean, YouTube shorts are quick and fun, and like I said, I like them, but I feel like the long YouTube videos hit different. Let me know, write me in the comments below what kind of videos you want to see from me. I am open to any suggestions. Also guys, if you want to see more of me, I'm not leaving YouTube or something. I will be consistent here, I promise you. But still, if you want to see more of me, you can follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I will have them linked in the description box because honestly, I post there every single day, stories, pictures, videos, every single day. So next we have concealer. So this is where I apply the concealer. This will give us a little bit of coverage and a nice lift. Always blending in and out, and always in tapping motions. You don't want to smudge the product. Next I'm going to use this palette. I love this palette so much. So I'm going to use this palette to contour my face and add more color. I prefer creamy products to powder products, and especially for a summer makeup look, because they're easier to blend and also they give you more natural finish, and I like that. My face looks so much more lifted. So guys, tell me everything. How's your summer going so far? Have you been on vacation yet? Where did you go? Do you have any other plans? Tell me everything. We're gonna move on to this Holy Grail. This is the perfect product for a summer makeup look. This will give you the most perfect natural color. If you want to look sun-kissed, just buy this product. And let me show you what I mean. It looks so natural. I am obsessed, and of course you can add more. Okay, when it comes to my summer, I was in Mallorca for 2 weeks with my husband. It was our first time there and we loved it, and we're definitely going back in the future. There are so many things to do there. It's a city island, I would say. You have both the city and the island vibes. The beaches were really nice, the food was amazing, so many restaurants, so many things to do and see, and yeah, it was really nice. I didn't film the whole trip, but now that I'm thinking about it, I should have have taken you with me, guys, but I did post a lot on my Instagram and on TikTok, pictures, videos, so definitely follow me there if you want to see a little bit of this trip. Also, guys, let me know if this is something you would like to see, if you like vlogs, and if you want me to film my trips in general. So I will set my face with this pressed powder. This is a very lightweight one, so it doesn't feel heavy at all. If you have an oily skin, you can set the whole face with this powder because, like I said, it's very lightweight and it doesn't feel heavy at all, so you'll be fine. Your makeup won't look cakey at all. So guys, we are getting there. I want to add some faux freckles here on my nose. If you have natural freckles, you're so lucky, just embrace them. I just use my bronzer and this tiny brush, but I also want to buy a freckle pen because I do this step quite a lot, so it will be so much easier with a freckle pen. My husband has some natural freckles on his nose and they look so good. Okay, we're almost there. I'm gonna do my lips now. I will go for a natural lip, like a natural color, so you can match the whole makeup look. But of course you can add some color if you want. I want this lip gloss on every color. So for my brows and my lashes, I cut them dark the other day. So just brush them with this spoolie and I will just leave them like this. The last step for this makeup look, and it's the most important step, is to use this setting spray. This will keep our makeup in place. This is really good and it doesn't feel heavy at all. And we're done. So quick, so easy. Our makeup looks amazing. Our skin can breathe. We have coverage, we have color. The perfect summer makeup look. So guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with your friends. You can also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. I will have them linked in the description box down below. I am so back on YouTube. You have no idea. So I will hopefully see you in my next video very, very soon.